I write some shit in 20 minutes, it'll have your buddies grinning. I rhyme fly, ride beats like I study rhythm. My name is Caillou, I came to claim the title. What you say to me is vital, don't play with me in ciphers. I freeze up, then I order sun and flip on you. You become the victim, or the people watching ridicule. This ain't my beat, but I'm a blessed all the same. Murk a record with the verse, make a settlement exchange. Run your shit, cause I'ma flip it doper. Get you open, lit a roach and hit it. This shit is pretty potent. 50 smoke is what we fuck with, enough crystals. One hit, the kid's in a zone like Scud missiles. Listen, cause I ain't got time to fuck with you. These labels gonna look at your album as rough demo. I light a ball, write a poem. It's nothing, but my flow is tighter than yours. End of discussion. Hey yo, Ty, you a student, I stay on campus. Keep your head bobbing while you play this anthem. Ill rhyme flow, Taj is laying samples. These rappers talk keys like they play piano. But Ty, your students, son, I stay on campus. Keep your head bobbing while you play this anthem. Ill rhyme flow, Taj is laying samples. You ain't advanced,
Yo, my format forever sharp, even though my future dark. I save my breath for the charts, knew I was in for a storm and found myself on the arc. Moving vision and two hearts on the same train of thought. Remain the realest in the field, so fuck playing the part. Evolved from a simple text to the livest on cassette. Gully vets making mark pose a permanent threat. And I can see through the sweat, plus the tears that you wept. Once you knew we took your set, and the world had been swept. Chief Commander on deck, King first, never lost a battle yet. Swing your sword, move with intellect to check the word on the streets. When we roll the nation deep, the drum loop my heartbeat to be a time of my speech, battling seas in my sleep. Wake up standing on my feet with loyalty to the streets. My mind sharp like steel, my life like some minefields. And hey yo, if looks could kill, I'll be a killer for real. Shining lights up in the crowd to keep a cow revealed, while I keep a steady pace like a Glock and spill. You all racing to the top, chasing pop a pill, motherfuckers.
Crood and keep first, we rebels without a cause. You cats are straight lost, so sever you with a sword. Overtook by your devil that settles and never talks. Get applause when we spit, man, the shit is steady raw. Readily developing my eloquence, I set a spark. Get it off the ground, watch your shit just evolve. We spit with no flaws and get with y'all bras. Y'all got shitted on, word up, you got stomped. My state start to contemplate on my ways. I need to raise up, cause I found out the hard way. The rich is at the top and the poor is prime bait. At a young age is when we learn the crime pays. And the crack rocks infiltrate blocks like a gas shot, leaving cats caught in the middle of the backdrop. We stay up, word 'em up, yo, we stay up.